Manipur police have issued fresh security directives to ensure safe movement of convoys and petroleum products along National Highway 37, NH-37, with special focus on preventing extortion, threats and other illegal activities along the route. According to a circular issued by Additional Director General of Police, Law and Order, Manipur, Lari Dorje Latu, IGP Zone 3 has been appointed as the nodal officer to oversee security arrangements along the highway. The nodal officer will be assisted by sub-nodal police commanders in different districts and will regularly review convoy security arrangements with all stakeholders. All district superintendents of police along the National Highway 37 route have been directed to strictly implement the existing standard operating procedure (SOP) for convoy movement. The circular also instructed CAPF personnel deployed on duty to be properly briefed on security protocols. The district police authorities have been asked to conduct special drives against extortion activities and engage with the public to create awareness about the legal consequences of supporting or assisting extortionists and miscreants. The police have also emphasized maintaining effective coordination and communication among all stakeholders, including CAPF, Assam Rifles, Army and state security forces, especially during convoy movement. Two stretches of National Highway 37, Kambiron to Sibilong and Makru to Old Kaifundai, have been identified as sensitive areas. The statement further stated that dedicated teams led by police officers will be deployed in these locations for highway domination and prevention of illegal activities, including extortion, intimidation, threats and abduction.